Yo, young visionary, quick to leave your speakers buried. Garden to Eden, I'm keeping picking through secret of berries. Grapple the apples, eating the hurry, worry. Got too much to carry, very scary to compare me to like half the people near me. Legendary, I think I move fast, so don't blink. Mizzy coke dope, no joke, homie, wink wink. Bling bling, I'm shining like a diamond in the rough. I really think I'm starting to hate like half the shit I used to love. Hit me, come back, don't doubt my vocab, I'm too hot, I know that. I'ma need an ice pack, we be getting higher, flying right by ya. Coming so we quick with shit that money couldn't buy ya. Puffing on that fire, homie, I'm no liar. Got riders letting cannons go quicker than Mariah.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions, that's something I do.
So cool,
I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around, that's something I do.
It looks like a fucking
I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around, that's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, been rolling around, that's something I do.
It's a wicked little truck to haul road around. Visionary, quick to leave speakers buried. Garden to Eden, I'm keeping picking through secret of berries. Grapple the apples, eating the hurry, worry. Got too much to carry, very scary to compare me to like half the people near me. Legendary, I think I move fast, so don't blink. Mizzy coke dope, no joke, homie, wink wink. Bling bling, I'm shining like a diamond in the rough. I really think I'm starting to hate like half the shit I used to love. Hit me, come back, don't doubt my vocab, I'm too hot, I know that. I'ma need an ice pack, we be getting higher, flying right by ya. Coming so we quick with shit that money couldn't buy ya. Puffing on that fire, homie, I'm no liar. Got riders letting cannons go quicker than Mariah. Hiya, kicking shit, Wu-Tang, scooping up your boot thing, switching up the colors of a mood ring. I've been in the new lane, straight to the bank, smoking dank, gas me up because you know I'm a tank. They said the boy's so fly, I should come with a cake. While you're out on your break, I'll be counting this K. I'm coasting, coasting, always stay roasting. Every time you see me, I'm floating somewhere by the ocean. Maybe you can find me, got the world on my back, so everyone's behind me. I'm coasting, sleeping on me, homie, why you sleeping on me? Why you sleeping on me, homie, why you sleeping on me? Why you sleeping on me, homie, why you sleeping on me? Why the fuck you sleeping on? Wait a minute, just playing, I'm on my way to get it. Fuck a critic, you can never say the shit that I
Just leaving at 2500 versus 1200 RPM will definitely improve the 60 clip by probably half a second, which will probably result in a full second gain at the end of the quarter, which shouldn't be too far to reach.
Young visionary, quick to leave your speakers buried. Garden to Eden, I'm keeping picking through secret of berries. Grapple the apples, eating the hurry, worry. Got too much to carry, very scary to compare me to like half the people near me. Legendary, I think I move fast, so don't blink. Mizzy coke dope, no joke, homie, wink wink. Bling bling, I'm shining like a diamond in the rough. I really think I'm starting to hate like half the shit I used to love. Hit me, come back, don't doubt my vocab, I'm too hot, I know that. I'ma need an ice pack, we be getting higher, flying right by ya. Coming so we quick with shit that money couldn't buy ya. Puffing on that fire, homie, I'm no liar. Got riders letting cannons go quicker than Mariah. Hiya, kicking shit, Wu-Tang, scooping up your boot thing, switching up the colors of a mood ring. I've been in the new lane, straight to the bank, smoking dank, gas me up because you know I'm a tank. They said the boy's so fly, I should come with a cake. While you're out on your break, I'll be counting this K. I'm coasting, coasting, always stay roasting. Every time you see me, I'm floating somewhere by the ocean. Maybe you can find me, got the world on my back, so everyone's behind me. I'm coasting, sleeping on me, homie, why you sleeping on me? Why you sleeping on me, homie, why you sleeping on me?
Getting all tore apart, I don't like this grill. Getting
Why
the
you
grill
sleeping
on.
on me? Why the fuck you sleeping on me? Wait a minute, just playing, I'm on my way to get it. Fuck a critic, you can never say the shit that I be spitting.
Looking pretty shabby. Well, after about 2 hours of taking my time and stuff, I got the headers unbolted, most of the wiring harness disconnected and connected up. Now I just got the 2 engine mounts left and power steering pump hose, and bell housing bolts, and torque converter bolts, and she should come right out. And not in too much of a rush right now though, since I don't have a motor to put back in it yet. So this will be the first little bit of it. I do like the truck. It's a nice truck. got some dits and dents after some flares, cover that up. Some big wheels, jack her up a bit. All the rest for the coffee cups, but yeah. They're worn and wrinkled, but for some rug shampoo and a little bit of TLC. I'm liking the purple tinted went back window too. This thing will be really nice. We're all out. Yeah, 5.7. It's rod now. Yeah. Took about 4 or 5 hours to take this one. I'll end up salvaging the whole front dress, water pump and such. Reusing the block probably, because it's just rod mount. Don't blow a hole at the side of it or anything. Yeah. Oof, alright, gotta be able to reuse those. It takes this off nicely. Yeah. Reuse the water pump, alternator. There's a chance the crank could be turned down. It's still salvageable, it did not knock long. 5.7, I hate these intakes. Did you ever notice that the throttle body's actually offset? Should be. Never liked it. Never a fan of that. But I didn't design the motor, so whatever. But yeah, no, it's really weird to me, but that's right, shouldn't it? I don't know. Pretty excited to get another 5.7 from the junkyard maybe in a week or two and slap her in and drive it. Spitfire looking good as well. The wall of OBS parts is just getting in. Yeah. Transmission, 5.3 oil pan, 4L60, Gen 1 headers. Multiple intakes, multiple steering pumps, multiple intake setups, another intake, grills that never got to get used, 6 liter, 5.7, 5.3 back there, stage 3 trans, 355, maybe 2 head, and another built 5.3, quote unquote built. Almost unlimited Vortec distributors and such. All the nice carburetors and such, right? And stinger pipes for slugs. Slugs are right.